Thoughts arrive without invitation, some helpful, some distracting. Not all need attention. What matters is not arrival, but permission. What is entertained takes root. Unhelpful thoughts may appear at first without control, but attention decides whether they stay. The way forward is replacement, not resistance. Attention shifts and the old fades. Affirmation gives the mind something steady to hold. It provides direction when distraction arises. What is repeated with intention becomes familiar. What becomes familiar guides experience. The mind responds to focus, not struggle. What is chosen consistently strengthens. Becomes anchor, holding awareness steady. What is returned to often becomes dominant. I shape experience by what I allow to remain, because thought determines direction. Through attention.